Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to pin documents to quick access. First, open File Explorer, which you can usually find by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar. Quick access is a handy feature that lets you keep your most frequently used files and folders just one click away, saving you valuable time throughout your day. It's a simple yet powerful way to boost your productivity. There are two primary ways to pin items. The first is to simply drag and drop a file or folder from its current location directly onto the Quick Access section in the navigation pane on the left. Alternatively, you can right-click on any file or folder you wish to pin. From the context menu that appears, select the option Pin to Quick Access. Both methods achieve the same result quickly. Once items are pinned, managing them is straightforward. To reorder your pinned items, simply click and drag them into your preferred sequence within the Quick Access list. If you no longer need an item pinned, right-click on it in Quick Access and choose Unpin from Quick Access. This keeps your list tidy and relevant, ensuring only your most important documents are easily accessible. Utilizing Quick Access effectively can significantly enhance your workflow. By having your essential documents and folders readily available, you reduce the time spent navigating through directories. A good practice is to regularly review and update your pinned items, ensuring the list remains current and useful. This simple organizational habit can save you many clicks and precious minutes every single day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.